your basic O-ring. I don't know if this is going to work very good, but here we go. This is a number 4 O-ring, metric O-ring. Slide that baby over there. A little bit of a pick. It's supposed to go on easier. I'm going to get the O-ring all the way to this edge right here. All the way to the back. Open up the cam. Push it behind it. Just like that. Now grab in front, behind, excuse me. Grab the O-ring. I'm going to stretch it over the top here. Just like that. Around the front. Make sure you pull this down all the way. There it is. The O-ring goes down and around the back. Now you grab another one. I'm sure this doesn't look so great. Grab another one, do the same thing, slide it over. But this one we're obviously not going to push it behind the cam. We're just going to go right over the top with it. Easier said than done, but it's doable. Hold it down with your thumb over the top, reach back and push it to make sure that it goes back and crosses over the other one. Push it all the way around behind. There. Voila. It's tight. Ain't going nowhere. Tough to see in the video. It's crappy video, but one wraps around this side by the gap here, but it doesn't hold it open, holds it closed. Timing gap, and the other one wraps over the top, so you got 2. And that's it.